All right, climbing down some really big rocks and trying not to blow my knee out in the process because I just damaged it just stepping out the damn Jeep. Oh. Man, for those of you who do this stuff, videos, really, this is some really gnarly shit, and it just does not do it justice. All right. Let's see how she does, guys. Now I get to try to figure out how to climb down this mess. Switched to some closed-toed appropriate shoes. You watched any earlier videos, I was a fool in flip-flops. See, up in Minnesota right now, it is colder than cold gets. So getting down here in Arkansas, where it's 60s and 70s degrees, I just couldn't miss an opportunity. Hard passenger. See if my plan works out here. Oh, fuck. Oh, she's gonna freak out when she sees that hole. That's, 5 feet. Yeah, she's not gonna be happy when she sees that for sure. Oh, that's fun too. There's some asshole broken glass out here. That actually might be a windshield. God, that looks so small. It's ridiculous. It is not, ladies and gents. It is really not. Ooh, that was fun. Holy shit. There you go. Now you can actually see that's a 40-inch tire that rock is sitting next to. I hope I didn't make a bad decision here. Watch your tire here, then we're going to end up here and we're just going to keep riding this down. Hopefully we start to come down before my rear diff finds that rock. Oh, looks like we got plenty of clearance. Up on 3 wheels. Bad as you can imagine. Oh! Shit. You're okay. You're okay. It's the sliders. You're okay. That was a pretty good sized bang. She got nervous there. Rightfully fucking so. All right, now come back. There you go. Come straight, real slow, babe. Real slow. Steer this way so you don't slide off this next one. All right. Good job. Keep coming. Steer towards me just to make sure. Real slow so you don't bounce. You did it. Passenger hard. How's your blood pressure? Look at that shit. Hey, honey, do me a favor. Hop out and stand there just for size reference. All the way to the big one, yep, and stand in the bottom of that hole. Just for... that puts it into perspective. That's the hole you dropped into.
That's deep.
Was it scary? Were you nervous, Tom? No? How about
No,
Faith?
Faith was.
Faith was? Did you scream?
Whenever we came out of the hole, I was like, "You okay?" And she's like, "Sure," but we almost died.